Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I am your host. I am searching through things. Oh no. I've already dropped this 128 once. It will not be dropped again. No. I'm just trying to. Oh, I can't put this up on the bed. I'm just going to set this here for the moment. Alright. Swabs. Now I know somewhere here. Oh, I think I see them. I do. Okay, you know what? There. No, this is not them. This is them. Wires. Okay. I don't know why I have them tucked away. Alright, I'm going to put this 128 down. It's working. But I still own this yet. Okay. So I am going to grab wires. Because this switch is no good. It is no good. They're all tied up. And that's not necessarily bad. Okay, we're going to go on a green wire. And you know what, these things, I don't know if they'll ever really fit back in the bag again, but I'll try. And there's something else I'm going to do here. Once I get these things back in the bag. And I'm not going to hide them away. Well, they're sort of in the bag. I'm going to toss them up there. Whoa, they're going to fall. There they fell. Okay, hang on. I'm going to toss these up there. Now, another thing I'm going to do in the midst of all of this is the 128 power supply is currently plugged in to this power bar. I'm going to switch it over to this one. And I'm going to turn this off. At least I think I am. Ah! Okay. That didn't go well. Well, I guess that was maybe not exactly what I had in mind. Okay. Come on, phone. Charge. Okay. Start charging. That's good. Are you charging? You're not charging. You're charging. Okay. The thought there was, I don't want to plug this in. Oh, well. You know what? I'm going to go for it. I don't want to plug this in. I want to turn it on from a power bar. So I have kind of a switch, because the switch here is broken. But these are all marked right there. Maybe I can do this way. Okay. I have here another power bar, and I believe it plugs in. Oh, don't be losing that. My power supply tester. Okay. So that. What is this talking about Where to use? Where I don't want to use Wordle. I want this phone to be charging, and it's not charging. Okay. You charging? You are charging. Okay. Now, somewhere on this power thing is a switch. Somewhere. So I can turn off. Well, I'm going to hook up the monitor. Let's see if, oh no. It's right in the middle of things. Okay, fine. I'm going to turn this off. I can do this. So now, the power supply is off. So I can plug it in. Now, I'm going to take a very close look to make sure that I have not shorted anything out here. And it does look like everything is fine. So here we have a populated Commodore 128. The power things are jumped. They are not touching. I'll turn this on. I did not see any screen flash there. Okay, hang on here. This may not be all the way in. I am not sure what's up here. All right, well, I'm going to make sure that everything here looks good and that I have solid connections. These things are not that great. They're not that great. I mean, they're little alligator clips. I wonder if it'd be better to just take and put one alligator clip across. See if, no, that won't fit. All right, try that again. So nothing. Okay, I don't think I'm getting anything through here. So I'm going to take this off. And this off. Now it's possible, maybe, I'm connecting the wrong things. But I would not like to think so. Let's have a look here. Oh yeah, there's a board there. Well, since the switch is broken, I suppose I can lay tremendous pressure on it. There, I laid tremendous pressure upon it. And it did switch, but I have no idea if it actually did anything worthwhile. I'm seeing nothing. And I don't even know if there's any power getting into this. Alright, well, interesting. Interesting, to be sure. That could have gone better. Alright, well, let's we'll back up and make sure we've done no harm and carry on. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.